Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset a Miele washing machine. To hard reset a Miele washing machine, there are some steps to follow. For that, you have to first ensure that your washing machine is completely powered down. You can do this by unplugging it from the power outlet or switching off the circuit breaker that supply power to it. After that, you have to leave the machine powered off for at least 5 minutes. After that, plug the washing machine back to the power outlet or flip the circuit breaker back on. In the next step, some Miele washing machine have a reset button on the control panel. You have to locate this button and press it firmly, hold it down for approximately 5 seconds before releasing. After releasing the button, wait for washing machine to initialize. This process may involve light flashing or display resetting. Once the initialization is complete, then test the washing machine by running a short cycle to ensure it functions correctly. Hopefully you know by this video how to hard reset a Miele washing machine. Thanks for watching.